All right, friends, we are beginning our cursive letter L study today. And you can see a blue cursive L there with that green starting dot. And as always, I'm going to show you a printed L. Remember how we make those? And just like any letter, we've got that way that we lead in and we lead out. So that helps us understand why does a cursive L look the way it does. And so we have that really natural hand motion that happens. Now let's make one together. Starting at the green line, the green dot, we're going to sweep up to the top line, slightly curve around and down to the baseline. Great job. And now for the next part of our lesson, we're going to practice some that are in more of a reasonable size. And you can do that on the new learner line, the should learn line, or the aspire to learn line. You can do a few L's in a row. You'll see that I'm working on the middle line today. So you can try to connect a few L's. And then let's use some letters we already learned, and let's make the word lit. You can go ahead and do that on your own now too. And now we're going to begin our study of cursive letter A. Here you can see an A in color and in gray, and there's a printed A. Of course, we always need to have our lead in line and our line that would lead to the next letter or the end of the word. So we just transferred a printed A to a cursive A really fast. And now we're just going to focus on how to make that A. So starting at the green dot, and you can refer to your own worksheet, you're going to swoop up to the dotted line, the blue, down and around in a loop, purple, and then switching to yellow, back down to the baseline and sweeping out. Great job. You can pause the video and do that all over again if you would like to. Now you'll see me working down at the very bottom line, making different A's. And you'll see that the first A that I made starts at the bottom line. The second A actually starts around the dotted line. That's because sometimes if we're leading from an O to an A, you end up with your lead-in line being higher. But letters like G or Y, they lead in the way that you're learning an A just up there in the colored version, the blue, purple, yellow. So you can see I have arrows here showing you how O leads to A and how G or Y leads to A. Now you get to go and practice some A's just like me. See if you can make a string of 3 or more A's all together, and then you can also make some separately. Now let's use our skills from L and our skills from A, and we're going to bring them together, and you're going to write la, la, la. Go ahead and practice that on your worksheet now.